Now, now we shall define. Now we shall we define length of a series. So length of a normal series. Length of a normal series. Okay. Length of a normal series. Number of distinct member in a normal series from G define a length of a series. Now this is the definition of length of series. So look at here, length of series, number of distinct distinct member. Distinct means अलग अलग, भिन्न भिन्न. Number of distinct member in a normal series. In a normal series, number of distinct member in a normal series from G. From G define length of a normal series. Okay. Number of distinct member in a normal series from G define length of a series. Something we have already a example of normal series. Identity is normal in Z2. Z2 is normal in K4 and K4 is normal in A4 and A4 is normal in S4. So identity is distinct from S4, Z2 is distinct from S4, K4 is distinct from S4 and A4 is distinct from S4. Then what will be length of this normal series? Okay. Number of distinct, according to our definition, number of distinct member in a normal series define the length of normal series from G. Okay, number of distinct member of a normal series from G define a length of a normal series. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So length of this normal series will be 4. Now we define a new term, redundant. Now we define a new term. Now we define redundant. That is, redundant means निरर्थक, मीन्स जो सार्थक ना हो वो रिडंडेंट होता है, निरर्थक. Okay, so if gi is equal to gi minus 1, then the series will be redundant. If gi is equal to gi minus 1, if gi is equal to gi minus 1, then the series that is normal series of G, where G is a group. If gi is equal to gi minus 1, then the series will be redundant. Then the series will be redundant. Otherwise series will be irredundant. अदरवाइज सीरीज कैसी होगी आपकी, सार्थक होगी. इफ gi is equal to gi minus 1, then the series will be redundant. Otherwise series will be irredundant. Okay. Composition series. So next, now, now be the next terms of our composition series of a group. Composition series of a group. That is group means G. So composition series of a group. So now we define composition series for any group. Okay, a normal series. Listen, a normal series without any repeated factor. A normal series without without any a normal series without any repeated factor, without any repeated repeated factor is said to be composition series. A normal series without any repeated factor is said to be composition series. And a normal series without any repeated factor is said to be composition series if it further can't be refined. If it further can't be refined. Okay, that is, कोई नॉर्मल सीरीज कंपोजिशन सीरीज होगी अगर वो रिपीटेड अगर उसके पास कोई रिपीटेड फैक्टर ना हो एंड उसको आगे रिफाइन ना किया जा सके, ऐसी सीरीज कंपोजिशन सीरीज होती है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आइडेंटिटी इज ए नॉर्मल इन S4. फॉर example number first, identity is a normal in S4, that is, identity is normal in S4. Identity is normal in K4 and K4 is normal in A4. Third is identity is normal in K4 and K4 is normal in A4 is normal in S4. That is, there is no any repeated. That is, there is no any. So now identity is normal in K4, K4 is normal in A4, and identity is normal in K4, K4 is normal in A4, A4 is normal in S4. So there is no any repeated factor that is K4 upon identity, that is it is equal to 4, and A4 upon identity, that is it is equal to 3, and S4 upon A4 is equal to 2. So that is 4, 3 and 2, not 4, 4 not repeated, and again 3 is not also repeated and 2 is not also repeated again. So above 3 series are composition series. Okay, and there is important result. There is important result, and result it is now such that a group need not to have a composition series. So note, result is a group need not to have a composition series. A group need not